Ladies and gentlemen, as promised, flock of seagulls.
I walk along the avenue. I never thought I'd meet a girl like you. Meet a girl like you. With auburn hair and tawny eyes. The kind of eyes that hypnotize me through. You hypnotize me through. And I ran so far away. I just ran all night and day. I couldn't get away. A cloud appears above your head. A beam of light comes shining down on you. Shining down on you. The cloud is moving nearer still. Aurora Borealis comes in view. Aurora comes in view. And I ran so far away. I just I ran all night and day. I couldn't get away. Reached out a hand to touch your face. You're slowly disappearing from my view. Appearing from my view. Reached out a hand to try again. I'm floating in a beam of light with you. A beam of light with you. And I ran so far away. I just I ran all night and day. Couldn't get away.
Good morning, Mike.
Hi. Thank you so much.
Hold this guy down.
Wow.
Hold him down, right?
You're number one fan right here. Right here.
You know, not bad air guitar.
Thank you very much.
This guy.
Wow, man.
Wow.
You guys are
Wait, don't go. Give us a beat again. Give us a beat.
right, give us a
I want
beat.
to see what he does to this, okay? All right, yeah. I didn't realize you were undressing.
Oh, yeah.
It's on you.
Dude, come on. I mean, what? Hey.
Your moves, Greg.
These are my moves. Come on, Mike. You guys sound so good.
Thank you.
So great. Woo!
Whoa, okay.
Wow.
That's my cardio for you.
Are you okay? You have a cramp,
on.
right?
Thank you for being easy now.
You all geeked out there, Greg?
3 years ago, something happened. What was that?
We lost everything we have to be a band to a theft. Basically, it's the van, all our gear.
So you had $70,000 worth of equipment in this van. The van's stolen. Eventually,
and
they find
there
the
it is,
van.
right there. Take a
and
look, yeah.
All your
Yeah.
stuff gone.
Never found out, never found what?
We
what
got
happened?
like one or two little pieces back because they finally recovered the van, and there was anything that wasn't newish
Yeah.
was left in the van, basically broken. The van was all smashed up, but the amazing thing was we had a gig the next day that we had no gear, and people rallied around and gave us gear. We did the gig, and it was great.
Oh, that's
Wow.
wonderful.
Yeah,
Yeah,
That's really
yeah.
nice.
Your hair's different.
I went, I said, can you make it like it was? They went, no.
Wait a minute. Do you remember the parody on Friends with Matthew Perry?
Yeah, I want to see him do it like it is now.
Yeah,
It would be
that's
much
next.
All right, Flock of Seagulls performing the 80s weekend this Friday and Saturday at the Microsoft in downtown LA. Who else is on the bill?
Tom Bailey from the Thompson Twins, the
Yeah.
Human League.
Are you going, Greg?
I'm going. I'll
yeah.
be there Saturday night.
Okay. I wanted you to play us out again. You keep coming over here. All right, Flock of Seagulls, everybody. Thank you.
Let's do it.
Come on.
Come on, do it.